Scott.
You know, this is really something here today. This is first of all, I'm a big fan of formation flying. It's tough. It's tough to do though, especially with precision, guys close together. That is the full throttle formation team from Atlanta. The pilots are all aviation professionals with more than 300,000 total hours of flight experience. They are all veterans, and they're also all veteran Delta pilots, which is pretty cool. They fly Van's aircraft, experimental aircraft, many of which were built by the pilots who fly them. Now we'll be describing some of the maneuvers they'll be doing for you. I've got a great show. We'll get the guys off the ground here and go to the cockpit, let them introduce themselves, and then we'll talk you through a terrific routine here. All kinds of interesting formations. When you got 12 airplanes, you can really do some neat things. Look at that. That is just amazing. This formation represents the Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit. It's the Spirit formation. Of course, that's also known as the stealth bomber. As the team approaches their tribute to flying. Now swapping positions with one another to perform what is known as the Valkyrie formation. This formation represents the famous North American XB-70 Valkyrie supersonic bomber. As the team approaches their tribute to the famous 6-inch strategic bomber capable of flying Mach 3 and faster. The XB-70 Valkyrie from Full Throttle.
Now it's my way.
Now the Alpha Bravo and Charlie flight leads are busy positioning their wingmen across the sky to execute the Arrow Pass. This formation is a flight formation, which means there's a lot of distance to cover for wingmen to get to their proper positions. It's crucial for each pilot to remain focused, deliberate, and attentive when flying the Arrow formation. Now for the team leader, Torque, to orchestrate and fly the routine, keeping the flight path oriented and maintaining minimum safety clearances. Sonic and Gumby are symmetrically arranging their wingmen in Bravo and Charlie flights. As smoke is on. Here comes the Diamond 12.
Don't lie.
This next formation is called the Stingray. Now why is that? Because it looks like a giant stingray in the sky. The trailer aircraft known in the formation flying world as Stingers. led by Alpha Flight up front. John Poulter, Geist, and Bob Walden are on the outer wings. Cameras at the ready once again as the full throttle formation team approaches, this time with a Stingray bottom-up pass. Pilots flew these exact airplanes to major cities all over the Southeast to draw large, smoky hearts in the sky over hospitals during the COVID-19 pandemic to honor our courageous healthcare workers and essential workforce. On behalf of the full throttle formation team, a big round of applause to all the healthcare workers, first responders, and essential workers in our crowd today. Let's hear it for them. Now the team is configured with diamonds and trail formation. As the team reaches show center, each member will individually pop up into a 500-foot extended trail formation and begin flying a lazy 8 pattern over show center. Look at that. Flying in a formation of 12 airplanes is serious business, not to be taken lightly. Each pilot certified to meet stringent formation flying standards by Formation Flight Inc., an FAA-sanctioned organization. The pilots memorize the various formations they perform and must also be ready to adjust the movement of every other airplane in the formation. Whether you've got transitions or rough air, these guys really handle it well today. To be a good formation pilot takes focus and concentration. You got to make thousands of small corrections in each position and power. And each pilot has total trust in their flight lead and fellow wingman to execute maneuvers predictably and efficiently.